How do you enable your members to send requests that they have or to the church? In this video, I will be showing you how to manage your member request with the Church Central Cloud platform on your church account. The first thing you need to do is to give your members access to your church app. So, and to do that, you need to go to your settings, yeah, then click this manage QR code, and then you will see member app link. Yeah, so this member app link. So um, open this QR code link. It will give you a QR code to download, and your members can use this link to download the app into their phone. And the next thing you need to do is to give them your church access code. Okay, so you have access control here. So this is a button that you click here. There is a number here. So this number will be different for your church. Okay, so for your church, to generate this number, you need to click generate new code. So when I click this, it's that the number has changed. Each time I click this, it will generate a new number. So this new number invalidates the old one. So it's important that when you give this code to your members, you are not changing it, because when you change it, the members cannot access the member service app, and that means their interaction with the church is disrupted. So once you generate this code, then and give it to the members, just leave it alone. Don't change it again. Okay. Now, once you have done that, your members would have the access to see the member service page on their phone as an app. So what they will see is this. Yeah. So on your phone, they will see announcement, and once they tap that, they will see all the announcements in the church. Yeah. So for those who are away, those that miss the service, announcements about their department, announcements about events like maybe dedication, announcements about choir rehearsal, any program that you're running. So all the announcements would be very much handy in the hands of your church member. So this is what any church member that has the app configured will see on their phone. Okay. And also they can see house fellowship as well. So you can see all the house fellowship in the church, and they can decide to join. Yeah. Join house fellowship. Yeah. They can decide to join, and they can see the event plan. They can see the house fellowship planning material. They can also submit, see any prayer report that can be raised. So from that app, they can give online. Yeah. So just click that. They can give tithe offering seed online, and they can also, so this is payment with card. Yeah. They can make bank transfer. So if you configured your bank transfer details in your giving page in the settings dashboard, so this would appear here. They can also give through text message. Auto giving, so that transfer can be configured. In this case, your member want to be given some amount weekly, monthly, quarterly, can configure that. And also, if you have any project ongoing, that project will be displayed here, and they can also give towards that. Okay. So what else can they do? They can see their giving history. They can see the pledge that is going on. So this, assuming you have a pledge for a building project or any project in your church, members can just tap that, and they will see the ongoing pledges in the church, and they can make a pledge, and they can redeem their pledge or from this platform. And any anyone anywhere in the world can access this. Once the person have your church app configured with the code, the person can as well make donation towards your project from this place. And they can see upcoming events. They can volunteer and join volunteer groups. They can see the Bible app. This is for Bible reading. So that's here. So they can see the Bible here. So they can access the Bible from here as well. Different books of the Bible, King James Version, NIV, a different version of the Bible is also here. They can bookmark, they can search, they can plan, they can have the reading plan for your church if you want to. So a lot of things that can be done here. So now you could have devotional sent out by the church to the members. You could have training courses, those that are under training courses. So here you can see my courses. This is in this case, this person I've enrolled for Embracing Divine Presence as a Bible training. But you can also see all the available churches and courses, and the person can as well try to enroll. Yeah, so you can enroll into this course by clicking their names, email, phone number, and enroll into the course. Okay. So here you see new believers class. So these are the courses available in the new believers class. So you can curate courses in your church training dashboard, and those courses will be available here. And once they click it, they're able to enter their details and enroll and begin to undertake the course, the training as well. Discipleship journey. So this is very important. So you can have so this person, nothing is configured here yet, so it doesn't really matter. Okay, so what else can the members do? Yeah, at the end of the year, you want to run survey for your church, so you can configure the survey there, and the members can see the survey in their member service app, and they can respond to the survey and then submit. Yeah, and then all the surveys from the church is coming up. So this is a survey on end of year women survey. So this is like running a survey on the women program in the church. And the women have, asking questions, how did they do and all that. So members are able to, actually the women in this case are able to contribute to the survey quite easily and simply, and send back. And all the responses would be collected here. The church running a church transport survey. How did the church transport perform last year? So you can easily run that. So yeah, so let's go forward. What else can the members do here? Yeah, stories of faith testimonies. Yeah, so very important. So here you see all the testimonies in the church is collected, and members can see testimonies. Also, the newcomers as well, the 28 days newcomers follow-up sequence would also extract these testimonies and add as part of the engagement for that. Now members can share their testimonies. Yeah, so so to do that, they just have to click testimony button here, share your testimony, and then put your name, the details, and then put testimony here. That a video link, and put it here. And if they want to share testimony in the church, they will just enter it here. So very very powerful. The other things you could do, your members can book for counseling, for appointment. They can make service requests. Yeah, so they can request different services, baby dedication, wedding, and any service there that they want from the church. They want to support a car blessing, house, child naming ceremony, home visit, So whatever services that you can that you provide for members, they can easily request it here without having the confusion of who to call and or say no one pick the phone. You're able to see what members are asking for and respond to it officially like a church. Yeah, that's is what we have, and now let's go back to let's go back to the main church page. Yeah, the main church dashboard. Yeah, so let's go back there, and here you can see how the church understands the request made by members. So you go to operations, so you see the member request here. So all the requests submitted through the app or by members is collected here in the central church dashboard. So the church admin or whoever is managing this platform for you should be able to see the services requested. So here in this case, a service request, maybe dedication. There is a service request here for prayer request. There is an asset request here. Someone wants to make use of the church keyboard. There is a service request here for wedding. There's another service request here for keyboard utilization. There's another service request here for maybe dedication. Here you see the status. This one is a pending approval, and the approval is approved. So the approval process is something that you can do through here. So you just click this eye here, and it opens this dialog box that you're able to escalate to the pastor, request more information from the person requesting the service. You can approve it or deny if you and then give reasons. So once you approve, you send the person an email or an SMS saying that the request has been approved and details of the person that would come to execute that. So this is quite good, quite powerful. And then you can also segment by service, by canceling request, asset, or facility. So this is how you make the church engagement with your members very strong, and this would help you to grow your church and keep everyone integrated and supported as well by the church. So start using the member service app. Yeah, download the QR code with the members. They should be able to use it to join your church as easy as possible. Thank you. And if you have questions, do send us an email at support at churchcentralcloud.com. If you do have need to watch other videos, just go to your main dashboard, click that the video tab. It takes you to the rest of the videos. You can watch anyone to help you get going. Thank you, and God bless you.